Wait for it until it crashes. There's absolutely something wrong with this boiler. It doesn't work properly. It crashes like a billion times, and now when I reset it, it crashes instantly. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it. And that's it. There you go. This button I have to press to reset. And you guys can't see really good because of... you guys can't see the screen really good. Yeah, you guys really can't see it. And I turned the lights off, I'll try to see if that could work now. Okay, so I must do this instead. I don't need to turn the lights on because I get kind of scared. There you go. Doing it like this down, it makes it to work. See, it's gonna crash for another time. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. In UK, always requires gas safe engineers. But I don't think in Belgium, you also need it. I don't know if you can do that without it, because we already have an engineer that does work, but it's not from Vaillant. Okay, the display just have to press this to get the display on. It's gonna crash for like a million times. There's definitely something wrong with this boiler. Yeah, I crashed for another time. I hate this. This gets annoying. I don't know what causes it. I know how to change the language on this one, but I don't want to do that now. Because I feel like I want to keep it in Netherlands instead. If it crashes again, if it does do the same thing, I'll stop the recording. If it does do the click, it's gonna... Yep, I'm done. This boiler is so annoying! Ugh.